In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw shapes in Pixlr step by step, even if you've never used the shape tools before. Whether you want to add rectangles, circles, lines, or custom shapes to your design, Pixlr makes it simple once you know where to look. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tips and design guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Pixlr free editor and load your project or create a new canvas. Once your workspace is open, look over to the left toolbar and click the Draw icon. This is where Pixlr keeps its drawing and shape tools. After you click Draw, select the Shape subtool so you can access the shape options. Now look at the top menu bar, because this is where you'll choose the type of geometry you want to create. You can pick from shapes like rectangle, circle, line, or even custom, depending on what your design needs. If you're making a button, box, icon, or layout element, rectangles and squares are usually the most useful. If you want clean curves or badges, circles are a great choice. And if you need arrows, accents, or unique design elements, the custom option can be really helpful. Next, before you draw anything, take a moment to adjust the style settings. You can set your fill color to control the inside color of the shape, which is perfect for matching your brand or design theme. You can also turn on or adjust the outline stroke width if you want a border around your shape. This is useful when you want the shape to stand out from the background. On top of that, you can adjust the opacity slider if you want the shape to look transparent or layered with other elements. Once your style is ready, it's time to actually draw the shape. Simply left-click on the canvas and drag to scale it to the size you want. As you drag, you'll see the shape appear in real time, so you can position it and size it exactly where you want it. If you want to make a perfect circle or a perfect square, hold Shift while dragging. That locks the proportions and keeps the shape balanced, which is especially useful when you want clean, professional-looking design elements. If the shape isn't quite the right size, you can usually adjust it after placing it, so don't worry about making it perfect on the first try. The key is to combine the right shape type, style settings, and drag motion to get exactly the look you want. And once you get comfortable with it, you'll be able to add shapes quickly for thumbnails, mock-ups, graphics, overlays, and more. So that's how to draw shapes in Pixlr using the shape tool, style controls, and shift for perfect proportions. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe for more Pixlr tutorials, and let me know in the comments what software tip you want next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.